Okay, Jay, these are the last stones we have to clean up. Great, but I realized something. We don't have a vehicle that could transport the stones. Did anyone said that it needs a truck? Something is not right. Alex is not here. Well, I think that I will do the review. What would Alex do first? Uh-huh. Hello, Gunther. Hello, George. Thank you for helping us, Gunther. You have a really great truck. Can you please present it to us, because I think that the viewers would like to know other things about it. And so do I. No problem, George. By the way, isn't Alex usually asking this? That's right, but I don't know where Alex is.
SpongeBob, you're at the front of the line for 2 hours. Would you like to order anything?
At first, I thought about that, but then I thought, why not say hello to Squidward if I am at the store?
Hello, SpongeBob.
Hello, Squidward!
Now, would you like to buy anything?
Let me think about it. Alright, I will start. Here is an entire view of the vehicle. Let's begin with the front. Here are some front lights, a registration number, a large dark transparent windscreen, and 2 lights at the top that can rotate. This is an angle from above the cabin. It has a removable roof and a seat for the driver. From another perspective, we can see the steering wheel and the lever. The left side of the tipper truck has some lower details, stairs, and doors that can open. The right side of the vehicle has almost the same details, only that it includes holders for some tools. Here, the doors can also open. Now, at the back, there is the same registration number. We also have 2 orange lights and a red with white sign. As you can see, the big bucket at the back can be lifted up. To access the bucket, there is an opening door. Inside, there is a broom, a hammer, a traffic sign, and 2 barriers. The only minifigure included is myself, Gunther. The accessories of this tipper truck are a hammer, a broom, also a shovel and a wrench, a traffic sign, and 2 barriers. This is a really great tipper truck, Gunther. Thank you. Gunther, can you please help me find Alex? I think that he's still at the store. Sure, let's get the tipper truck and look for him. Hello? I have arrived for the tipper truck review. I think that I've stayed too much at the line. Well, the orange juice is still good.